For more on Premier Li's meetings in Germany, I'm joined by Jinying Ling, Associate Research Fellow at the China Institute of International Studies. Ling, how would you describe the status of Sino-German relations before and after Premier Li's visit?
Yes, today's China and Germany relations has been one of the most advanced in China's relations with the Western countries. It has been described as a model between two big countries, that is how to have win-win cooperation relations. Let's look at with some statistics. Actually, today China and Germany's trade has account for 1/3 of China-EU's trade, and also under today's very current difficult situations, the trade trend, let's look back to the crisis to now, the trade trends and also the investment trades also have been increased sharply. And also there was a very typical mechanisms between China and Germany. That is a governmental consultation. Now the consultation has covered a lot of traditional issues. Besides that, both sides also to exchange views on how to, about the governance and also the very internal issues that has been beyond the traditional governmental consultations. That is the current situation of China and Germany. And looking to the future, before the visit, our Premier Li Keqiang has said, this visit is a step to promote all-side comprehensive relations between China and Germany. So when we look at the communique, the joint statement finally released, we see it was further toward the more pragmatic cooperations. Besides the traditional areas, there were also new areas. That is, for example, the electric cars, the trade and the investment promotion, and also the fiscal and monetary cooperation. Actually, that is a very kind of deep cooperation between the two sides. And today China is undergoing the deep transformation. Okay.
I want to get your thoughts. I'd like to get your thoughts quickly on Germany's role in the China-EU trade conflicts. Is Germany in the best position to possibly mediate between all sides in this conflict?
Yes, this is a very complicated issue. Because we can see from the three different perspectives to evaluate Germany's possible roles. That is the Germany position. Germany position, the government position is very clear that it is strongly against the action, but there are also other interest groups and civil society's voices. So it needs time to make all these voices have compromise. And the second is to see from the Germans' role in EU. Germany is a very important country in role. It could play a positive role in solving the disputes. But when we see from the mechanisms EU has, it's very complicated because now on the current stage, the Commission has very large, space to maneuver space. It have a not very big say in the process. But I think Commission says it should represent the interests of EU. What are the interests? The interest is the collective interests. That is both the member states and the interest groups, and also the green groups of public interests. So now the voices of inside the European Union is very diversified. And according to the report, 15 member states against the act. But it's very complicated. The EU is always very complicated.
Right.
We wish Germany could play a positive role, but yeah.
All right, very complicated issue, as you mentioned.
It's very difficult to say.
Jin Ling, we appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us from Beijing.